Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing this roof spoiler over here. So I went with a smaller one and not a thick one because I don't know, I think it's a sleeker finish compared to the bigger one, and it matches the car more. So what you're going to need for this install is isopropyl alcohol. You can use whatever like percentage you want. Adhesion promoter pad. You guys have seen this on my channel before. I'm just using it, like I haven't seen people use it, but I'm just using it because I don't want shit to fly off my car. So what I did right now, I went ahead and I measured the length of this, and I put a tape right in the middle. I also put tape right in the middle of the car where it fits. Over there, you guys can see there's two. So when I'm ready, I'll just like line up these two. So to prep it, so I put some rubbing alcohol on this, so I'm just gonna give it a good wipe first. Please don't talk about me. You want to do the other side for me?
So for those of you that don't know, this is Greg, and he's slowly been learning about cars with Anthony and I this last summer. So here's a few videos to properly introduce him.
Oh. Way heavier than How the fuck do they get wheel tires onto a rim?
You see those videos where they just put it on top, they kick it in, and then they light it up with fire?
I don't think you see that.
And then...
What happened here, bro? Everyone calls me out.
Come on, bro.
This angle is terrible.
So what you're saying is, if Greg takes off his wheel, he can not drive until
someone puts it back on. What like this?
Bro, you get no leverage like that.
Forklift, bro. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna take this and like scrape off anything, like any small like debris that might be stuck to it.
So for this, you might want to do it before you start cleaning, or you can do it after you clean the rear windshield. But basically, I'm taping down the roof and the paint in the surrounding areas so that when I apply the adhesion promoter pad, the roof or the paint doesn't get sticky and messy and have to do more cleaning after.
Alright, so next we're gonna apply the adhesion promoter because again, we don't want shit flying off the roof. So I'm gonna do that half and Greg's gonna do the other half, and we're gonna go wash our hands and we'll be back. Oh yeah, and we also taped off this thing here thanks to Anthony's suggestion. I wasn't even thinking about it, dude. My whole roof was gonna be sticky. Okay, so as you guys saw before from that clip that Anthony recorded.
Hey guys, so Anish asked me to show you the roof spoiler when it's, I guess when it's cold. So I just took this out of the garage, and this is what it looks like. So this is how much it bends when it's not heated up.
It was kind of hard. I mean, not too hard, but like it was more sturdy. But now if you lift it, it's super floppy. Oh shit, Jesus. But yeah, I'm just gonna use the tape that they gave us. Hopefully it sticks. So the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna line up the tape with the green tape on the roof. So the way I read online that people do it, it's like you start from one side and then you work your way across, because if you start from the middle, like both sides might not line up. So
Alright, so once you peel the tape off of the spoiler, you start off by aligning the top of the spoiler with the top of the window, and then you leave like maybe 1/10 of an inch from the side of the window, and then so once we move over here, you can get a better angle. So you can see that you start by peeling off the tape and then you press down, making sure that the 3M is adhering to the glass, and you keep doing that all the way along.
okay, once you get to the halfway mark, you can just take that off and so you guys can see there's still some glass showing here, so I kind of fucked up because on the other side like it fits like right with the window. I guess I didn't measure it properly, but when you guys did, make sure you measure it properly. And I mean, let's see how it looks from far away. Wait, let me take the tape off. Okay, so apart from that one little mistake that we made, I think it turned out pretty good. If you guys take a look for yourself. Like, if you're looking at it from far away, you probably can't tell. It's really if you're like nitpicky about it. But yeah, I think it looks kind of good from all different angles. You
could probably only tell if you watched the video, you know?
Yeah, I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I like it? Approved. What do you think?
I think it's better than the big one.
Yeah.
Just because like it matches better.
Matches better, yeah.
The big one's like too big.
Yeah. I mean, no harm to those of you who have the big ones. It's just personal preference kind of thing.
That's true.
So yeah. All right. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you Anthony for filming and Greg for helping me out. If you guys want to follow Anthony's channel, it'll be linked somewhere down in the description below. So make sure you subscribe also. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.